To connect MetaMask to Jumptask, you first need to understand what MetaMask and Jumptask are. MetaMask is a digital wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies. Jumptask is a platform that enables users to interact with various blockchain applications. To begin, ensure you have the MetaMask wallet installed as a browser extension or mobile application. If you don't have it, you can download it from the official MetaMask website. Once you have MetaMask installed, create a new wallet or log in to your existing one. Make sure you have some Ethereum in your wallet to cover transaction fees. Next, navigate to the Jumptask website and click on the Connect Wallet button. A pop-up will appear asking you to select your wallet provider. Choose MetaMask from the list of available options. You will then be redirected to the MetaMask wallet, where you will be asked to confirm the connection to Jumptask. Review the request and ensure that you are connecting to the correct website. After confirming the connection, you will be redirected back to the Jumptask website, where you can now access various blockchain applications and features. To ensure the security of your wallet, always make sure you are connecting to the official Jumptask website and never share your wallet, seed phrase or private keys with anyone. By following these steps, you can easily connect your MetaMask wallet to Jumptask and start exploring the world of blockchain applications. Remember to always prioritize the security of your wallet and transactions.